Hi, I'm Alex from Travel Fashion Girl, and we've been teaching women how to pack stylishly light for any destination in the world for over a decade. Today, I've partnered with Bagsmart to show you their new Blast 43-liter rolling backpack. The best part is that the suitcase is carry-on friendly. In fact, it can actually be used three different ways. It can be used as a wheeled suitcase, it can be used as a backpack, and you can also hand carry it. If the suitcase looks familiar, it's because it looks just like the Blast backpack, which has the best organization ever. So it's definitely a personal favorite of mine for a personal item. This has similar organization. When I'm traveling, I just want easy access to my essentials, which I put in the top pocket, and my laptop, which I had no idea that this suitcase had a really convenient laptop sleeve right on the outside. It's rare that a suitcase has a laptop pocket, and if it does, it usually takes up like a fourth or a third of the suitcase space. So this sleeve is really handy, probably one of the best selling points for me. One of my favorite features is the quick stash pocket at the top. It's very thoughtfully built with a soft line pocket and two compartments right up at the top. This usually carries my basic essentials, and they're easy to access at all times. Another handy pocket is the one right here in the middle. It's an unexpected one that I didn't see in the beginning, but it's super soft. So I actually stashed my sunglasses in here for a recent trip when I forgot my sunglass case. In addition to the 15.6-inch laptop sleeve, my other favorite feature is the very roomy water bottle pocket. It has a little bit of elastic, and it's long and it's deep, not shallow. The wheeled backpack has clips on both sides, which means that you can use them to cinch it up and compress your belongings for a tighter fit. The PU wheels are sturdy and durable to ensure you can glide easily over any surface. The backpack has a top handle and a side handle. You can easily carry the backpack if needed with your hands too. And this is what really sets this suitcase apart. It also transforms into a backpack. This feature would have been incredibly handy on my backpacking trips in Southeast Asia, where sometimes if you're walking across a ferry or trying to walk on uneven surfaces on the street, when having a wheeled suitcase is really uncomfortable, being able just to add backpack straps and go makes it super convenient. Plus, this suitcase is 6.6 pounds, so it's actually lighter weight than other rolling backpacks that I've used previously. And as with all Bagsmart handles, this suitcase has very sturdy, durable handles. And the sneakiest part about this rolling suitcase is the secret stash pocket. It's RFID lined, meaning that you can put your passport and wallet in here. And trust me, even I couldn't find where the pocket was for this video. Now let's look at the interior features. Inside, it's a nice wide compartment. I love this sort of configuration for a carry-on. It kind of lets you play Tetris with your organizers, whether you want to just pack your clothing down without using organizers, or whether you want to put everything inside packing cubes. And Bagsmart actually has a really awesome collection of compression packing cubes that I highly recommend. It also has two mesh interior compartments. The mesh has a smaller mesh zip right here on the side. And then on the actual sleeve, it has another mesh, a very wide mesh compartment, which is actually quite padded because of the padded laptop sleeve. All in all, the 43-liter Blast rolling backpack is a clear winner for us. The organization and the features are unparalleled and unmatched in a suitcase market where every suitcase just kind of looks the same. So when I see something like this, that's pure functionality, and it also looks good, it looks rugged, it's something that I'd feel comfortable walking into business class or into a nice hotel. It doesn't look too utilitarian. For me, this is a big winner. I want to thank Bagsmart for partnering today with Travel Fashion Girl. Our community loves their products, and I hope you love them too. My name is Alex with Travel Fashion Girl, helping women pack light stylishly for anywhere in the world. Safe and stylish travels.